Hi everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make it's a variation of the normal snake pattern. So the normal snake pattern would be something like this. So I just did it on a 5x5 since I didn't have a 3x3. So like the normal snake pattern goes like that, but this snake pattern is a variation of that, and it looks a little different. So let's start. So the first move is the front layer 2 times, next the right hand side down, next the back layer this way, next the top layer clockwise, next the right layer down, next the left layer down, next the front layer anti-clockwise, the left layer down, the front layer anti-clockwise, the back layer this way, the bottom layer anti-clockwise, the right layer up, the back layer this way, and then the left layer 2 times. And so as you can see, there is a snake. So you go like that, and then, but instead of having another turn, it has a straight line, and the snake continues. Straight line, snake continues. Straight line, snake continues. So that's what so these two are kind of different, because this one's only turns, while this one has some straight lines in it. So they are very different patterns, and so that's basically it for this video, guys. If you liked it, please make sure to hit the like button as well as the subscribe button. And goodbye. See you in my next video.